Welcome, welcome. All right. How to price your services or your goods so you're not working for free. This is our second video, and it's our second video in the series. So let's get started. So you spend 10 hours on a project and made $150. That's $15 an hour. And that's less than some people make working in the fast food industry. So most entrepreneurs massively underprice themselves because they're scared nobody will pay more. The last video will help you choose what to build. Today we're gonna make sure you actually profit from it. I'm going to give you the exact pricing frameworks that turn your side business into real money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to charge and have the confidence to say the number out loud. So, we're not financial advisors, and this isn't financial advice, but pricing is the number one thing that separates the broke freelancers from wealthy ones. All right, let's get into it. Why you're undercharging and what it's really costing you. So you might think nobody will pay that. You charge $50 and then you work 8 hours and you make $6.25 an hour. Then you feel resentful and then you quit. Undercharging doesn't get you more clients, it gets you worse clients. And cheap clients are the worst clients. They haggle on everything, demand the most revisions, complain the loudest. Then premium clients respect your time. They pay on time and they refer others. Raising your prices improves your client quality. So the math nobody does. Your hourly rate isn't just the hours you're working. It includes admin, communication, revisions, and marketing. That $200 project that took 4 hours actually took 8 when you count everything. Your real rate is half of what you think it is. So, if you feel like an imposter, it's because you're young. Your client doesn't care how old you are, they care about the results. So, your age is irrelevant. It's what value can you provide? So, here's 3 pricing frameworks. Number 1, the cost plus pricing. Calculate your cost, and that's going to be the time it takes you, your desired hourly rate, plus expenses and profit margin. So, for example, it takes you 5 hours to complete, and your hourly rate is $40 an hour. And your tools cost you $20 plus a 20% profit, and that equals $260. So that's the floor, your absolute minimum. Never charge less than that. But that was an example. So here's framework 2, market-based pricing. Research 5 to 10 competitors offering the same service. Price yourself in the middle, not the cheapest, but not the most expensive. And as you get testimonials and better work, you can move up. Cheap positioning attracts cheap clients. Mid-range positioning attracts serious ones. All right, so framework number 3, value-based pricing. What is this worth to your client, not you? A logo for a startup raising $500,000, that logo is worth $5,000 to them. An email sequence that generates $10,000 in sales could be worth $2,000 to $3,000 for that client. Social media management that brings in 50 new customers per month can be worth $1,500 per month. Stop charging for your time. Start charging for their outcome, their result. All right, so pricing strategies that maximize revenue. Tiered pricing. You can give them options. Basic tier could be like a logo only, and it's $300. Standard tier can be a logo plus brand colors and different fonts, $500. And the premium tier can be a full brand kit, social media templates, $900. 80% of clients pick the middle option. That's exactly where you want them. Anchor pricing. Show the premium price first, and it makes the standard look like a deal. The full brand kit is $900, but if you just need the logo and the basics, it's $500. First number sets the expectation. Always anchor high. When and how to raise your prices. After every 3 to 5 completed projects, raise prices 10 to 20%. Don't announce it, just change the rates for new clients. Existing clients, starting on X date, my rates, you say your rates are updating to reflect whatever the reason may be. And happy to lock in your current rate for the next, let's say, 24 months. This is generous. If nobody ever says that's too expensive, you're charging too little. So here's the script. Based on the scope of this project, your rate is, I don't know, let's say $500. And that includes these deliverables, and you require 50% deposit to get started. You say it, don't justify it, don't apologize, don't fill the silence. So the silence after your price is your most powerful tool. Let them respond first. All right. So remember, we have our free wealth building tools. And I think we currently have 4. And the links in the description. So what are you currently charging, and what do you think you should be charging? Let us know in the comments. All right. So in the next video, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap to hit your first $1,000 a month, or $1,000 a month. All right, wealth builders, keep building wealth, and we'll see you in the next one.